we gather for a ceremony that is unique in its spirit. We are here to witness the passing of the baton, to honor the silent heroes who are retiring after years of selfless service, and to welcome the new K9 recruits who will carry their legacy forward. Since its inception in 1975 under the CID wing, the Mera Police K9 unit has been an indispensable pillar of our security architecture. For 5 decades, the K9 units and the handlers have been our first line of defense against the invisible, the hidden sin of narcotics, the cold threat of explosives, and the trail of those who seek to evade justice. In recent years, the unit has recorded notable successes across multiple districts, thereby safeguarding life and maintaining public order. On explosive in the rough terrains of East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, or K9 teams have sniffed out danger in highly sensitive zones. Every detection was a tragedy averted and a life protected. On narcotics, our fight against drug menace has been bolstered by the sharp senses of this unit. From the significant breakthrough in Riboy in 2023, seizing heroin worth rupees 5 crores, to the recent recovery of 691.54 grams in Shillong just this year, the K9 units have proven that no concealment is clever enough to bypass their vigilance. Growth is a necessity, not a luxury. I am proud to announce that we have moved from a modest strength of just 7 dogs to a formidable force of 37 dogs today. Through the DREAM mission and our recent induction of 24 trained dogs, we have achieved a specialized balance. 10 trackers for criminal investigation, 14 narcotic detectors to protect our youth, 11 explosive detectors for public safety, and 2 assault dogs for high-risk operations. And these dogs, as did mentioned by our DG, will be placed in different parts of the state. The handlers 89 is only as effective as the person leading them. Your patience, your discipline, and the deep bond of trust you build with your partners are the true engines of this unit's success. You don't just work together, you live and breathe the mission together. As threats evolve, whether through sophisticated drug trafficking or improvised explosive, our response must be faster than smarter. The government remains committed to investigating, in advanced training, better infrastructure, and most importantly, the welfare of our canine assets throughout their services and into their well-earned retirement. To the dogs retiring today, thank you for your service. You have earned your rest. To the new inductees, welcome to the force. You have big cause to fill. Let us continue to work together to ensure that Meghalaya remains a sanctuary of peace and security. With these few words, I once again thank you all and may God bless Meghalaya.